Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hello guys, welcome on the next video of Linux command line for beginners. The next command we are going to look at is the cat command. The cat command is a versatile and widely used command in Linux and Unix-like system. This command will echo whatever input we have given to it. Hello world. It echoes whatever input we give to it. So let's use the word echo. Echo hello guys. To echo whatever input given to it, press Ctrl D to exit. Let's clear our screen. Let's know what is inside the directory by using ls. Let's see what's inside file 1, cats file 1. To view what is inside file 1, we use the command cat file 1. This command will print out the contents of file 1. Click enter. This is the contents in file 1. Let's view what is inside file 2. Cat file 2. Enter. This is the content that is inside file 2. So the cat command will print out the contents inside the file 2. Let's clear our terminal. To view the contents of multiple files, use the command cat file 1, file 2. This will show us the contents of multiple files. It combines file 1 and file 2 and give you the output. Let's click on enter. This is the contents of file 1, and also this is the contents of file 2. Let's clear our terminal. To display the line number of the contents of file, we use the command cat-b. This will add line numbers to non-blank line. Before I show you, remember that I showed you the content of file 2, so we can view it again to be sure. File 2. So this is the content of file 2, and you can see there's a blank line here. So if we use the -b command to add line number to non-blank line, let's clear our screen. cat-b file 2. That's added the line number to non-blank line. Let's clear our terminal. For us to add numbers to all the blank line, we use the command cat-n file 2. We have to add numbers to all the blank line. Let's clear our screen. Clear. Cat. I want to view the content inside new.txt. New.txt. Okay. Alright. Clear. Cat file 2-s. This command will squeeze all blank line to one blank line. It will not affect or change the contents of file, but display a convenient and appropriate contents. It has squeezed all the blank lines to one blank line. The next command we are going to look at is the cat dash capital letter E file 1. This command will add the dollar symbol at the end of each line. Press enter. For us to know more about cats, we are going to use man cat. This command will show us more information about cats and how to use it. On your own time, you can practice using all these parameters that we did not use. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe and share.